for some reasons, I believe that what I'm about to say in this video is going to be, you know, you're going to be able to relate to what I'm about to say in this video. If you're really a trader and you're putting in the work, like when I mean you're putting in the work, you're really working hard for this thing to work for you. You're really studying. You're really doing all the possible work you need to do for you to get profitability. That there will be a certain period of your life where, or a point in the journey where that you're doing everything right. You know everything. You know support. You know resistance. You know supply. You know demand. You know liquidity. You know everything. Every trend line, you know it very well, but you're not getting the results. Everything is perfectly fine. Everything is okay. You have risk management. You have everything, but you're not getting the results. And those phase or those period, you feel like, what am I even doing? What am I even doing? Like, what am I doing? I've been trying my best for the past few years. I've been putting in this work for the past few years, but still, no results for my hard work. If you can relate to this that I'm saying in this video, I want you to drop a comment in the comment section. I'm going to respond to you. But I want you to believe that you're not alone, right? You're not alone. That whatever it is you're going through right now, everybody who you so admire at the top went through it. Whatever it is you are going through right now, putting in the work and not getting results, people who you admire, those people you want to be like, have gone through this phase. And the only reason why they were able to get to the level they are right now is because they were persistent enough. That everything I have the idea for support, I have the idea for resistance, I have everything, like risk management is okay, but I can't see the results yet. Don't worry, relax. If only you can be persistent enough, if only you can keep going regardless of the results, you're going to break through from that particular phase and go to the next phase that you so admire and want to get to. And remind you that don't forget this phase you're going through right now. Don't forget it, because this phase you're going through right now is going to be like a story to tell, and it's going to be very beautiful that I went through this thing. Imagine if you don't go through this thing that you're going through right now. How will you tell the beautiful story I'm about to tell? So relax, right? Everybody you admire like this has gone through that phase, and they became a king in their own lane because they were persistent enough to overcome this particular phase. Keep going, bro. Keep going. Don't give up. It wasn't meant to be easy. If it was easy, everybody's going to do it. Everybody's going to do it. This is a very lonely part. This is a part that is very difficult part that nobody wants to go through. Imagine if everybody was profitable. Why? How will you enjoy it? How will you be able to flex on people's lifestyle and all of those stuffs? It's difficult because the reward at the end is very big. So keep going. Even if you look as if you're going to break down today, even look as if it's not going to work, because there's going to be a point you're going to feel very frustrated. Like, what am I even doing? Oh, my guys are doing better than me. Like, what am I even doing? Don't worry. Don't worry. Let me know what you think. Have you been through this phase? Are you going through this phase right now? What phase are you in right now? Let me just see what you think, or let me just know the phase you are in the comment section. But remember, everybody you admire, everybody you so want to be like, went through that phase. I was watching a video of Q Bank. Is it yesterday, the day before yesterday, when he was trying to, celebrate a small win of $10, $700, and all of those stuffs. And I was like, okay, so nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong right now. So my little profit is still going to be maybe a remembrance for me when I was going through some kind of difficult phase of $100 profit and $50 profit, right? So I was just seeing those things as a motivation for me, because most times I listen to people who have been through the something I've been through. I listen to people who are going through the kind of pain I'm going through. For example, how would I want to listen to you when you just came out with your Benz and telling me that you're rich and all? I didn't see those struggles, I didn't see those pains, right? I'm gonna want to listen to you. But when I say that you've gone through the pain I'm going through right now, you've gone through the struggle I'm going through, I'm a bit eager to listen to you. Okay, this guy, I've gone through this thing, but when I want to this point, this is what I did. I could learn from me because I'm going through what you're going through. So I don't know, but whatever it is you're going through right now, just know that everybody you admire so much has been through this phase. And this video is a word of encouragement to you, bruh. Keep going. However, I want you to verify two things. Right? That means if you're going through this phase, I want you to verify these two things that I'm going to say right now. Number one, I want you to verify that you're consistently doing the right thing. I want you to verify that you're persistently doing the right thing, because if you constantly do the wrong thing, you're going to get a wrong result. If you constantly or persistently do the wrong thing, you're going to persistently get the wrong result. So what you want to do is simply go back to your journal, go back to yourself, go back to your mentor, and verify that you're simply or constantly doing the right thing. And if you're doing the right thing, because at every point in everybody's life, trader, entrepreneur, whatever it is you're doing, there will be a point or there will be a level where you're doing everything perfectly correct. Every principle is being obeyed. Every skill is being up. Everything you are doing is the right thing, but no results, which is normal, right? If you're doing the right thing, then you have to verify number two. What is this phase teaching me? What is this whole thing that's happening to me right now teaching me? Could it be that it's teaching me to be patient? Could it be that it's teaching me to be calm? Could it be teaching me to be whatever it is it's teaching you right now? You have to be able to discern whatever it is that is teaching you, because whatever it is that is teaching you right now is simply what you will use to stay at the top. It's very easy to become successful, but it's very difficult to stay successful. And most times, it is in our making of becoming successful that we gather the tools or the skills required to stay at the top. And most times, if you don't get these tools, that if you're not able to discern these tools, probably character, patience, discipline, all of those things are the tools that probably enable one to stay at the top. And if you don't pay attention to discern what it is that this phase is teaching you, you're going to lose out for the particular tool that is required to stay at the top. So verify whatever tool that this phase is teaching you, so that when you get to the top, you will not come down to take that tool. Because if you go to the top without the right tool, you will come down to get the tool. And when you come down, it becomes even more difficult to climb back to the top. So verify and understand what tool this particular phase is trying to give to you that will enable you stay at the top. Now, if you've watched this video to this very point, I'd like you to subscribe, drop a comment, because I'm going to be making more videos like this that will help improve your trading. That will be all for this video. I will see you at the top. Peace.